Yes, you heard it right. Israel has now reportedly attacked Iran's state TV headquarters in Tehran. This isn't just an attack on infrastructure, it's an attack on sovereignty, freedom of speech, and the heart of Iran's media. This is not just a military move, it's a direct hit on Iran's national identity and narrative. From assassinating scientists to sabotaging nuclear sites and now targeting the media? Israel is operating like it is above all international laws. Targeting a state broadcaster in the capital of a sovereign country is an act of war. It's a message, psychological warfare meant to silence and intimidate. But guess what? This is not the first time Israel is doing this. Israel's war in Gaza has become a deadliest conflict for journalists in the modern history. Since October 2023, at least 178 journalists have been killed. Many were killed while they were reporting. Media houses have been bombed, transmission towers destroyed, even reporters wearing press vests have been targeted. Truth is under attack. What do you think? What would be Israel's next target in Iran? Hospitals? Schools? Universities? What's happening in Iran could happen anywhere. So wake up and speak up.